We're doing 3 sets, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Watch to the end for success. Let's warm up with standing knee taps. Let's go. All right, maintain that consistency. Keep the pace steady. We are halfway there, almost done with this set. Halfway there, team, keep pushing. Alternate those knees, stabilize the core. Breathe through it. Excellent work completing that set. Now take a moment to recover. Breathe deeply and get ready for the next move. Let's go. Let's go. Great work on that set. Take a deep breath during this rest phase and prepare for the cardio abs move coming up. Halfway there. Keep your chest up and your knees high. Keep holding that side stretch, focusing on flexibility and recovery. You should feel the pull along your torso. And we are halfway there. Last one. If you want faster results, you have to stay consistent. Do this every day for the next 30 days, and remember to like and share. Okay, team, let's get into it. We have 3 sets coming up. It's 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Keep that energy high and release. That's the end of the warm-up. Breathe deeply during this rest interval and get ready for the next move. Keep it going, team. Halfway there. Drive that knee up and twist. Really feel that crunch in the obliques. Maintain your balance. Keep your core tight and chest lifted. Halfway there, don't stop moving. Last one. Want faster results? Bookmark this link. Do this every day for the next 30 days.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
All right, everyone, we're sticking to the 30 seconds on, 10-second rest format. If you're just joining now, you haven't missed a thing. Let's go. Great job. Time to recover. Breathe deep. Let's go. Complete the bicycle crunch and recovery phase to prepare for looming knee drives. Halfway there. All right, that's the end of the first interval. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let your heart rate come down. Halfway there, team. Keep that core engaged and really focus on the torso rotation. Keep your balance strong. Great work finishing those knee drives. Now take a deep breath. We have 10 seconds to rest before switching sides. Let's go.
Maintaining high energy during high knee jacks is key for maximizing caloric burn.
Hiergangen slag sitter like consider Souchstar Laren sitter shins like to pigit and sitter shins spective ni John.
Last one. Congratulations, you did it. Want faster results? Let's go. Keep alternating those knees and rotating your core. Stay focused, you are halfway there. Keep pushing. Keep pushing through, you're doing amazing. Take this time to breathe and get ready for the next round. Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Nice work, team. Catch your breath with me now. We have a quick break before we move down to the mat for some core work. Keep alternating sides, bringing that elbow to the opposite knee. Twist and crunch. You're halfway there, keep pushing. Let's go. You crush that interval. Deep breaths, everyone. We're almost ready for the cool down. Let's go.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Keep that core tight and twist. Elbow to knee, let's go. Stay strong, we are halfway there, team.